everyone, welcome back to Lula Talk. Today, we're diving into the world of machine learning using Python. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, we've got you covered. Let's explore the key libraries and the basic steps to get you started. Key libraries. First up, let's talk about the essential libraries you'll want to familiarize yourself with. 1. NumPy. NumPy is the backbone of numerical computing in Python. It provides support for multidimensional arrays and a range of mathematical functions. You'll use it for data preprocessing and mathematical computations. 2. Pandas. Next, we have Pandas. This powerful library is all about data manipulation. With its data frame structure, you can easily clean, merge, and analyze your data sets. 3. Matplotlib and Seaborn. Visualizing data is crucial, and that's where Matplotlib and Seaborn come in. Matplotlib is great for creating all sorts of plots, while Seaborn simplifies statistical graphics, making your visualizations both informative and attractive. Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is your go-to for traditional machine learning. It offers a wide range of algorithms for classification, regression, and clustering, plus tools for evaluation and hyperparameter tuning. 5. TensorFlow and Keras. For deep learning, TensorFlow is the framework you need. Keras, running on top of TensorFlow, makes building neural networks a breeze with its user-friendly interface. 6. PyTorch. Finally, PyTorch is perfect for those who value flexibility. It's great for research and development, especially in areas like computer vision and natural language processing. Basic steps in machine learning. Now that we know the libraries, let's go through the basic steps in the machine learning process. 1. Data collection. First, we need data. This can come from surveys, web scraping, public datasets, or APIs. Just ensure your data is relevant and representative. 2. Data preprocessing. Next, we preprocess the data. This involves cleaning it up, handling missing values, normalizing features, and encoding categorical variables. 3. Exploratory data analysis, EDA. Now it's time for EDA. Use visualization tools to understand your data better, identify patterns, and make informed decisions about feature selection. 4. Model selection. Choose the right model based on your problem type, classification, regression, or clustering. Each model has its strengths, so pick wisely. 5. Training the model. Let's train the model. Feed it your training data and allow it to learn the underlying patterns. This might take several iterations to optimize. 6. Evaluation. Once trained, evaluate your model's performance using metrics like accuracy, precision, and recall. You want to ensure it generalizes well to unseen data. 7. Hyperparameter tuning. Next, optimize your model's hyperparameters. Techniques like grid search and random search can help you find the best settings for your model. 8. Deployment. Finally, it's time to deploy your model. Integrate it into applications, monitor its performance, and retrain it with new data as needed. And that's a wrap on our overview of using Python for machine learning. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights from Lula Talk. Comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next.